friends, in one of the interview question was asked how to get the working hours on the basis of time in and time out data given for employees. So instead of doing all these things manually, that will take too much time. So you can apply one formula, that is MOD, more than time out minus time in, comma 1 bracket close, and then multiplied by 24 hours in. So now we just simply have to drag it down here, so we have the numbers for the other cells. After that, we have to change the font into the numbers, so we can simply go to this and select number. You can see that we have the working hours. Please subscribe and share for more.